How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you all the fastest way to day trade options that I know of, show you exactly how to set it up, some things that can happen that you need to look for, and how to handle them. But before we get started, as always, and this will help me out a lot, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Get right into this. First off, I'm using the platform ThinkOrSwim by TD Ameritrade. This is what I trade options on. Well, what I day trade options on. It allows me fast execution. You can set up hotkeys if you would like, but let's just get right into this. First off, I want to point out these are active traders. I have two up. You can choose how many different boxes you want up on your screen here. Just for this example, I'm going to have two up. What you want to do, you want to come to trade, hit ActiveTrader. This is where I day trade my options, okay? I have another monitor that has my charts up I'm watching. I have three monitors for those that's been asking. I typically only watch this one and my other one, honestly. So right now we have SPY and QQQ, very popular ETFs among day traders, but you're saying, well, you just have the share in there. That's just the share price. So how do I get the option in there? Okay, very, very simple. What you want to do, you want to come here, click by where you type the ticker, come all the way over here to options, click there. Let's type SPY in here. Now you can see it put up the calls on the left, puts on the right. It's got the expiration. So let's go with, let's just say January 24th expiration. Say we want to trade this 397 call. Just click it. Now it's in there, right? Super simple. Now, let me point out some other things that I'm going to walk you through this one more time. See, I have buy market, sell market, join the ask. That's how I trade. That's what I prefer to use. Flatten up as well. If you want to change these, just click that little gear icon there. And there's the selection. And this is what you currently have up. And anytime you want to put them in different order, you just click on it, hold, and just drag it up to where you want it. Now you're saying, how did you get your P&L in here, Grizzly? Like, what do? I want to see that P&L. I want to see how much money I'm making or losing while in a trade, while trading options. It's really simple. You just come to this little gear icon here, click that, customize, double click that P&L, and it'll put it in there. Be sure you press OK, and boom, you have your P&L on your screen. You can remove some of these to get it out of your way if you would like. One thing I do want to point out, be sure that you have this auto send checked, because if you do not, what's going to happen when you click buy and this is not checked, you're going to have to confirm through another box, and that's not ideal for trading options. I like to keep my quantity set up like this in increments of 5. It's just how I prefer to trade. When you click buy, whatever quantities in this box here, that's how many you're going to buy. And there's more ways to buy on this ActiveTrader. I'm going to go ahead and point them out. I'm not going to go too in depth on that or what I would do, but if you want to buy a limit, you can do it in this column here. If you want to sell limit or set a stop loss, you can do it in this column here. And when you have a stop loss set, you can simply click on it and drag it up as your trade goes up. But one thing I want you to keep in mind, if you want to go, say we set a stop loss down here and it just rockets up, right? You have to cancel out that stop loss right here before you can sell, okay? You can't have two orders placed in the same column. Now I'm going to walk you through that exact same thing again here. Let's do SPY puts. So we got SPY already up. Let's just grab the puts on this side. Let's do 396 puts, because what? We like trading at the money, right? So 396 puts. Simple as that. Super simple to use. You can set up hotkeys. Me personally, this is so quick to use. There's not many situations where you need hotkeys anymore unless you're trading like penny stocks through it or something. I occasionally will hit my hotkeys to close out position if it's just going, wrong quickly or something. Other than that, I buy to get in the trade when I'm trading SPY. There's plenty of liquidity. Ideally, I like to join the ask. You don't always get filled immediately, but tends to give you a better return. So keep in mind, if you join the ask, it has to push up in your favor just a little more before it's going to fill your order. The only downfall to this, if you click it and it goes bad, you're going to have to cancel that out. And if you want to get out of that trade immediately, you're going to have to sell market. Two things you need to keep in mind. You have to have the desktop version of ThinkOrSwim downloaded to see this setup here. And when you click here and you click the options, let's say you type in SPY and it's not showing up here, one thing I've noticed, sometimes you have to log out, then log back in for that to work. Just a couple things to keep in mind. But that's all I have for this video. I like to keep these videos short, to the point, So if you appreciate that, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And we would love to have you join Team Bull Trading community. But that's all I have for you all. Appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you next time.